If you're struggling with hair loss, don't despair. You're not alone. Millions of people experience hair loss every year, and there are plenty of remedies to help regrow your locks. From natural treatments like essential oils to over-the-counter medications, we'll discuss the best remedies for hair loss in this video. So keep watching. Before we dive into the different remedies for hair loss, it's important to understand the different types of hair loss. The most common type of hair loss is telogen effluvium, which is usually caused by stress, illness, or a change in hormones. Other types of hair loss include alopecia areata, which causes patchy hair loss on the scalp or body, and androgenic alopecia, which is the most common cause of hair loss in men and women. Now that you know the basics of hair loss, let's talk about some of the best remedies. First up is rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a popular essential oil that has been used for centuries for its pleasant scent and potential health benefits. It's believed that massaging rosemary oil into the scalp can stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. One study published in the International Journal of Dermatology found that rosemary oil was effective as 2% minoxidil in treating androgenetic alopecia. Another study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that rosemary oil was effective in preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth in people with telogen effluvium. To use rosemary oil for hair growth, dilute a few drops of the oil in a carrier oil such as jojoba oil or coconut oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes and leave it on for at least an hour before rinsing thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Another remedy for hair loss is peppermint oil. Like rosemary oil, peppermint oil is another essential oil that is often used for its refreshing scent and potential health benefits. It's thought that peppermint oil can improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology found that peppermint oil was effective in treating androgenetic alopecia when applied to the scalp twice daily for 4 weeks. To use peppermint oil for hair growth, dilute a few drops of the oil in a carrier oil such as jojoba oil or coconut oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes and leave it on for at least an hour before rinsing thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Next up is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a popular plant that is often used in skincare products due to its soothing and hydrating properties. It's also believed that aloe vera can stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. A study published in the Indian Journal of Dermatology, Venereology, and Leprology found that aloe vera gel applied to the scalp twice daily for 90 days was effective in treating alopecia areata. To use aloe vera for hair growth, apply the gel directly to your scalp and leave it on for 1 to 2 hours before rinsing thoroughly with a mild shampoo. You can also use aloe vera as a hydrating hair mask by leaving it on for longer than 2 hours. Moving on to green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to have several health benefits, including promoting hair growth. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that massaging green tea into the scalp twice daily for 6 months was effective in preventing hair loss in people with androgenetic alopecia. To use green tea for hair growth, brew a cup of green tea and let it cool down. Massage the tea into your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with a mild shampoo. You can also use green tea as a hydrating hair mask by leaving it on for longer than 30 minutes. Another remedy for hair loss is fenugreek. Fenugreek is a type of legume that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries for various purposes, including promoting hair growth. The oil extracted from fenugreek seeds contains high levels of fatty acids and other compounds that may help nourish the hair and improve its appearance. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology found that applying fenugreek oil to the scalp for 1 hour daily for 4 weeks was effective in improving hair growth and reducing hair loss in people with telogen effluvium. To use fenugreek for hair growth, soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in warm water overnight. Strain the mixture and rub the seeds into your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes. Leave the mixture on for at least an hour before rinsing thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Now, let's talk about some over-the-counter medications available for hair loss. Minoxidil is a topical medication that is available in various formulations, including foams, shampoos, and serums. It's the only FDA-approved medication that has been proven to regrow hair in people with androgenic alopecia. However, it's important to note that results may take several months to become visible and that not everyone will experience hair regrowth. Minoxidil can also cause unwanted side effects, such as dryness and itching of the scalp, as well as unwanted hair growth on the face, chest, and back. Another medication that can be helpful for hair loss is finasteride. Finasteride is an oral medication that's only available by prescription. It works by inhibiting the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that contributes to hair loss. Studies have shown that finasteride can help preserve existing hair and even regrow some lost hair in people with androgenic alopecia. However, it's important to note that finasteride can cause sexual side effects, such as decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, and ejaculatory disorder. For this reason, it should only be used by men who have not fathered a child and are sure they do not wish to do so while taking the drug. While these over-the-counter medications can be effective, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. They can help determine the underlying cause of your hair loss and recommend the best course of action. In addition to these remedies, there are a few lifestyle changes that can help promote hair growth. Eating a healthy diet rich in vitamins and minerals can provide the necessary nutrients for healthy hair. Some examples of foods that are good for hair growth include salmon, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and avocados. Regular exercise can also improve blood circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. However, it's important to avoid over-exercising, as this can lead to telogen effluvium. Finally, managing stress through techniques such as yoga and meditation can help reduce hair loss caused by stress-related factors. As we've covered in this video, there are many remedies available for hair loss. Whether you choose to try natural treatments like rosemary oil or over-the-counter medications like minoxidil, it's important to be patient and consistent with your chosen treatment. Remember that it can take several months to see results and that not everyone will experience the same outcomes. If you're struggling with hair loss, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional for guidance and support. With the right treatment plan in place, you can improve your hair growth and achieve a fuller, thicker head of hair. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on health and wellness. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content and reaching more people like you. Thanks for watching and take care.